far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Now, I know some prices of cryptos that are fair. And if you understand and see through the smoke and actually do your research on these assets, you'll see that these assets are going to underpin the new world. But they want you focused on NFTs. They want you to focus on NFTs. Now, if you're somebody who looks into these NFT projects and you look at the Etherscan and see where the money is going, you'll see that the money goes into them and it goes right out. So the true value, there is none unless these NFT creators give it value. But the true value, the value that's going to keep giving, the gift that keeps on giving, is called cryptocurrency, which is the software, the protocols that underpin the utility, the infrastructure of the new world. And you want to talk about a goddamn NFT and try to trade it up at a different price? No! There's no money in that. See, I'm on time because the trail went down at the same time.